Used line sets are typically contaminated with residual oil, acid, and moisture. Traditionally, the best way to eliminate these contaminants is to replace the old lines. In cases where this is not cost-effective or even practical, then Quick System Flush can be used to effectively clean existing lines of contamination. Before using a flush, the system needs to be prepared. Recover any refrigerant and disconnect the following components from the lines: filter dryers, expansion valves, and the compressor. After the system has been prepared and sectioned, purge with nitrogen. Quick System Flush has excellent absorption capacity, but the more contamination you remove with a nitrogen purge, the less system flush you will use removing residue that doesn't require a flush. Now, introduce Quick System Flush into the line sets. The can must be inverted for proper liquid flushing. If a Schrader valve is unavailable at the opening you would intend to flush, simply use Mainstream's Line Set Flush tool. Repeat a 150 psi nitrogen purge in all areas where Quick System Flush was introduced to the line set. Continue to purge with nitrogen for at least a minute after no liquid or waste can be seen exiting the line. Make sure you have a container in place to catch flushed waste. Why do I need to disconnect the filter dryer, compressor, and expansion device from the line set before I flush? Filter dryers and expansion devices may become clogged by flushed debris. If you flush through the compressor, it will wash oil off of its moving parts and cause it to seize when it runs. Is Quick System Flush safe? Absolutely. Quick System Flush is both non-toxic and biodegradable. Check out our MSDS for more details. Is Quick System Flush non-flammable? Yes. In this clip, we see that Quick System Flush does not ignite even when applied directly to an open flame. How effective is Quick System Flush at removing oil, acid, and moisture? Quick System Flush removes 98% of contaminating oil, more than any other product we tested, including R11. See our website for independent certified laboratory test results that confirm our outstanding performance when compared to leading competitors or R11. Is flushing line sets necessary when converting from R22 to R410A? Definitely. If the line sets cannot be replaced, then they must be flushed clean. Residual mineral oil must be removed before switching to an R410A system, because the R410A system uses synthetic oil. Contamination, acid, or moisture in the old lines will cause problems in the new system. Residual acid will continue to cause problems with the new system, and moisture will accelerate the future formation of acid. Once again, if the lines cannot be replaced, then they must be flushed.